A new diet pill got the okay from the Food and Drug Administration. It's called Contrave. Now, you would think shares of its maker, Orexigen, would get a big lift on that news, but shares actually declined by 10.5% today. So what's making investors hold back on what looks like a solid investment? Meg Terrell reports.
It was supposed to be good news. Orexigen Therapeutics got word after a long battle that its obesity drug was approved by the FDA. But today, its stock sank. It seems counterintuitive. Obesity is a potentially huge market, including more than a third of U.S. adults. But the drug, Contrave, is the third new diet pill to be cleared in the last 2 years, and investors may be wary after recent experiences.
There had been no real new obesity drugs for many years, and all of a sudden we had 3 new drugs all coming along altogether, so there was a lot of investor and physician excitement in the space. What we've seen commercially since 2 of these drugs have been launched is somewhat disappointing. The adoption really hasn't been there.
Orexigen may be suffering from investors' disappointment with the previous drugs, Qsymia from drug maker Vivus and Belviq from Arena. They were both approved in 2012, and initial sales have missed expectations. There are still safety concerns about obesity drugs after several, including Fen-Phen, were pulled from shelves over side effects. Another issue is cost. It's been an uphill battle getting insurers to reimburse for the drugs, though the companies say that's changing. And finally, analysts say, having enough resources to mount a successful drug launch has been difficult for these smaller companies. Orexigen is partnered with Japanese drug maker Takeda to sell Contrave in the U.S. CEO Mike Naraki said he's confident Takeda's army of 900 sales reps give the drug a chance of being a blockbuster. And though analysts from J.P. Morgan and Wells Fargo recommend buying Orexigen stock, investors clearly are still skeptical. For an LE Business Report, I'm Meg Terrell.